My KitchenAid dishwasher control panel has blinking lights and won't start a cycle or stop blinking.
Can you guesstimate how old your KitchenAid is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
03 FTSS2 8 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Are the lights flashing slowly and in a pattern or fast and continuously with no pauses?
Fast and continuously with no pauses.
Thank you. The touchpad is shorted. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you.
03 FTSS2 model number KitchenAid. The lights that are flashing are heavy duty and normal wash and cancel.
Your touch panel is experiencing a failure. You may need to replace the control panel, but there is a trick you can try first. Turn off the power to the appliance. Use a hair dryer to heat the panel up until very warm while rubbing firmly over each of the buttons. Oftentimes, this will restore operation. Be sure to get the panel very warm but not hot enough to damage the plastic. If this does not work, the panel will need to be replaced. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here. Access is gained by opening the door and removing all screws from around the inner door and separating the panels. The touchpad will unplug from the main control and is easy to replace once access is gained. It is helpful to have an extra set of hands to get the doors apart easily. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
When the lights first started blinking, the dishes appeared clean, but there was standing water in the bottom. I emptied it and made sure the drain lines weren't clogged. I heat up the outside of the touchpad. Where I touch the buttons to select the cycle or to start the dishwasher.
Yes, that touchpad is shorted, the control is getting weird signals from it, that is why the lights are flashing. The touchpad will need to be replaced, see above. Yes, the heat will help to dissipate any moisture in the pads, which may restore operation.
Okay. And replacing the control panel is something I can do myself.
Yes, the hardest part is handling the door panels once you get the screws out. That is where the extra set of hands comes in.
Okay. Thank you. The link you gave me says the part is out of order. Who else can I order this from?
I will see if another retailer has it. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you.
Please make sure it will fit KitchenAid model number CO3 FTSS2.
Sears shows it in stock, see below. Click here.
It's not the electronics. Just the control panel that holds the electronics.
Correct, this is a very common issue.
Okay. Thanks. How do I save this discussion and those links after you sign out?
You can follow a link back from your email at any time. That is the easiest way to get back.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.